Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're trading Nasdaq 100. I was looking for a different chart today, and I saw a setup that just happened. I just missed it. See, look at the time. There's 04, like 20 to 8. It's like 40 minutes ago. So now I just wanna get into the breakdown, the analysis of what actually made me sell Nasdaq when I did, because it's been going up for a little bit. If we look at them for the month, like the chart is just crazy. It's just been shooting up. I missed that. But anyway, so I wanted to make a video to help explain how to identify when it's time, when market has turned and it's changing in your favor, and how to identify where it could potentially go to, so to know when to jump in and when to jump out, and maybe jump back in and go the opposite way, depending all on you. Here, let's start with the weekly candle here. No? Weekly time frame. Market started like, yeah. So as we see here, it's just been going up, 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 up. But within this mess here, there's a language inside. Let's go get it and see what's happening. What I would say is, let's first say, when we hear, where was the turning point for market? Like, I would look at the whole monthly time frame and say, where exactly did price turn around, start turning from? I'm looking at the top left corner, that screen. So I put it the line just where the candle loses shape, like it closes the shape, and that's where the price was at. So then I'll zoom in. Still loading. Right, then I'll zoom in. If we look here, we see, well, we first see the white candle, the sell candle going down, but I suppose there was a gap here because the candles are not right next to each other. But anyway, but it's fine. So then price shot up, but then that middle line that closes the shape is around here. From here we can't really tell anything. I need to zoom in. Hopefully we'll see something. Okay, so what do we see? Price comes down, down, and then the next candlestick is a small, it's very thin candle. Is pretty much it's blank actually. It's like it's indecision. It's an indecision, and then price now starts. It bounces. Actually, price came down. Price comes down. Big sell candle, small indecision candle, some people call it, and then price starts shooting up. Price shoots up to where the red line is, and then price came back down to collect more orders, I suppose, and then tried again, and then bounced up, and then came down, third touch, and then eventually started shooting up. So 3 touches. But okay, that's where it broke off, but still doesn't say much. I want to show you. There we go. Okay, h4 is what showed, because what I'm looking at is what to look for is these candlesticks. Whenever you see a big candle going up and then the immediate candle after that is the opposite direction, like here in this case it's a sell, to measure the size of that initial sell. Odds are this is from this uptrend, and then you see that turnaround. that's the support building up, support and resistance. That's the support and resistance loading up, and what I like to do is measure the top part and the bottom part of that candlestick and use that as a measuring stick in future of saying, okay, this is where the support is. Because if you waited for that other, because it tried, well, okay, I see it tried again and then came down a bit, but then eventually broke up. But you want to look for something of a transition like this. Like, it can also be like here, whenever you see, in this case would be green and white, measure the top and the bottom. That will be a resistance at some point. You can always use it as an entry point or an exit point. But now I'll explain how here on the hour candlestick, the hour time frame, if we look, market's been going up. Market has been going up. Look, I want you to pay attention to the size of the candlesticks before the sell happens. It's the green. Sizes are getting smaller and smaller. There's a momentum pushing up, but it's the size of the candle that matters most. And then the next candle goes down, but look at the size difference. This is what we would call an engulfing. Whenever you see something like this, just know that market is indirectly telling you that whatever previous momentum was happening has run out. So the next direction is to go the opposite way. So now I caught this sell somewhere. Yeah, actually, it was still, I caught it a little bit late, but then what I did was, because here is essentially the resistance, the support, price might go up and down before finally going downwards. But here, your first signal would be the candlestick being bigger than the previous stick. That's your first sign that, okay, price might be turning around. The other sign is there's a lot of touches in between this zone here. There's a touch there, touch there, touch there. That's 3 touches. And price couldn't go above it. So that for you it should be another sign saying the strength of this zone here currently, the hour time frame. So what you should be looking to do moving forward is actually selling. Yeah, actually, so I sold on this candlestick here, and then now the next hour is just pushing down. That was my indicator for a sell. If we open time frame, go to H4 time frame, the sell could be going for the day. I don't know. I really don't know. But a way to find a target would be to say what I did on H1, I'm going to do on H4. So here's an area here where you have green, sell, you have buy, sell, buy. That range of that sell, that's going to be the next target for the sell right now. Price should come all the way down here because there hasn't been any green, white, green, buy, sell, buy candlesticks here. So the only next step we see is down here. So price, there was no interference with the buy up. So when price comes down, there shouldn't be an interference with the push going downwards, and it should come down to this level here. That's the next support I see. And so how long that will take with this, you never know. Could be a couple of days, because market's been going up. It could still only form let's use this candlestick for example. Let's pretend this candlestick is this before this one formed, because there was a huge strong buy up, and then there was a short up and then came back down, which we kind of see here. Price went up higher than that previous high, but then it came back down, and then it could create this range here. On a day time frame, the potential down drop, push downwards, is gonna actually come between here, and if it breaks through there, it's gonna come to the next one at the bottom. All right, And if it breaks through, okay, wait. If it breaks through there, it's gonna come to the bottom here. So these are the targets for the next couple of days. Wherever you see candlesticks touching right next to each other from a downtrend, and then there's a opposite direction like there, always take note of that one there, and that one there. So these are three potential areas, targets for sales. However, it could also be potentials for buy support areas. Just because it's going down there doesn't mean it's going to come bounce back up. You should also have other indicators that can help you see better. Like, for example, we need to see market fail to break that zone at least a couple of times. This is our time frame, so at least we should see market come up, come down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours before it started going down. And then you need to see an engulfing of candlesticks. You need to see something like that there. And then this next candlestick, if you catch it on time, it might take time to actually fall through, because when this candle started, it just shut down. This wick here on top there didn't exist. So you just need to be mindful of that. My stop loss is actually at the back here. Just need to be mindful of how much worst case scenario should market go against me, how much I would lose in that aspect. Because here, I mean, that if we look at the far right, that's 16055.6 figure. That's where I entered. Stop loss is at 16067. That's a difference of 12. So 12 multiplied by 10, it's like $1,200 if one position goes all the way up there. That's how much it would risk. Fortunately, it's a big account, so 1,200 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1,200 times 9 is about it's about 10,000 in total. Close to 10,000. Yeah, 10,000, a little over $10,000. That's total risk for this trade. And if you're 10,000 from 1,300,000, whatever, 10,000 isn't that much percentage of the overall account size. So you need to measure how much your risk versus reward structure. But here, we shall see how the day goes. I think I'll only know how long the drop will be for until we touch the first range, which is around here, because on smaller time frames, let's use a 1 hour time frame now. Let's use the bottom of the support we see on the side there, on the left here. Look, price came down, came into that zone. Didn't go fully across, but came into that zone, and then because this now is a support area, price all of a sudden bounces up and doesn't just go down like nothing is in the way anymore, because this is an actual support level. So we need to see price break through here for us to know that it could potentially come down to here. Alright, you gotta wait. You just gotta wait it out sometimes. Comes down to that range here, 15,961, coming down to that price there. Should it break through? Oh wait, let's keep it at H1. Should it break through, it will come down to this range. So this one is a slightly bigger one. So you just measure the top of the candlestick and the one on top, and then the last one at the bottom, measure the bottom level of that position. And yeah, so if we zoom out, there's a lot. Oh no. Oh, it's okay. Yeah, 15,785. Yeah, there's a thing is this one, yeah, I think it's that range, and yeah, for now we just wait. And what we could do is move our stop loss below the entry point, so that should market come against, okay, I'll just copy and paste. What is that? 160.53. Okay, 160.53. So that should market come around, turn around, we will close in a profit no matter what. But I'll hold for now, and I'll send an update later today. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, so I just came back after like 30 minutes. Seems like I got knocked out. Price went up. Went up a little bit. That's the other thing about using stop losses. Now it's going down. Now I need to re-enter. But at least it went up and then came back down. We'll try again. History today. You see, but at least here's the thing, because the stop loss was set at a certain position, everything closed in a positive. Your account didn't go down, it actually went up. Just not as much as you would have hoped, but yeah. So we'll try again, hold again, hopefully, because now I see pressure, price. You see that sell, buy, sell. Here's a new support. Right there. So that's just forming. I need to learn to wait it out completely. So stop loss will come to the slightly above previous high, and just wait. Hopefully it just carries on going down now. And yeah, let's see. Let's wait and see. Alright guys, so I was looking around and I see crude oil also showing signs of a reversal. Let's just see for the month how it looks like. Because the previous one is there. So the previous one was here. Price shut down. Now it came back. But now, if we notice, where did it turn? In the zone. From where? A while ago. Turned around there. Now it's going downwards. It's even below the moving average. We zoom into smaller time frame. We see that the initial shift now. Actually, let's see up to the. So we'll make our entry here. Stop loss. Okay, let's see the minimum with the absolute minimum. Make an entry there. Stop loss would be above previous high, which is on top there. And but me being me, wait, five number. So now it's a matter of alright. It might carry on going up, but we committed to the stop loss, and the sun's now going in. Okay. Alright, then we wait. We see how the rest of the day goes, and yeah. Alright guys, So it's been a couple of hours since this morning. It's about 11:15. The date today is the 21st of November. Currently with Nasdaq, market is still figuring out whether they're still going or coming, but market has been heading steadily. Price came down to, actually wanted us to assess what happens when price comes down. You see here, I'm busy marking the previous support, right? So it's between the price of 16032.4 and 16037.4. That's supposedly where the support of the sell is going to come from. As you can see before, right now, I actually wanted to record it going against, because it was coming down, but then there was a bit, you see, like it came up there. There was a bit of resistance there, then started going up. It's in that zone where it's arm wrestling with the market, I guess. And then price actually came up high again, and I was busy wondering if price was deciding to turn around altogether, because it was floating above the zone level for a bit. But price did not close above the line, so the trade still holds. We should be heading down. We'll see by the end of the day how we're looking like. Crude oil, let's see. Okay, so it's also now going through a little bit of a retest, but currently it's flowing. It's just moving a little slow, but we wait, in terms of performance. That's currently how much, but that doesn't mean anything. With the minimum entry we made with crude oil, let's look at that one and see how much profit it is currently. It's about $2.30. Market hasn't moved much, but it has moved. As long as the account is still blue, it's a good day. So we'll just see how the rest of the day goes. Hopefully we see 6 digits, unless markets decide otherwise. But for now, we have to hold, and yeah. Okay, guys. Upon assessing the analysis here, I see an engulfing. Yeah, this candle here engulfed this one. So current trend is a buy trend. Projected to come up to this level here. The bottom one there. Not too sure. If we zoom out on 1 hour, it's a little above, but currently it's still below this side, the bottom part of the zone of the support. Price broke down and then closed below it. Next candle was a buy, pushed up but closed below. So now's the next push up, but on a smaller time frame, I see market going up, because what time frame did I start this at? 30 minutes. Because on 30 minutes, on a 30-minute time frame, yeah, this candlestick here engulfed that one. So price is currently on a buy run. It even dropped everywhere. Okay, there's another one. So for now, what I can do is close all positions, and then Let's adjust our trades accordingly. Wait, nice. Alright. How to put this? Nice. Oh, those tens, huh? Hey, but it's gonna be a buy to where though? Dun. Let's go test the top then. Let's see. Volume reached. Crude oil. What's happening in crude oil? Sheesh. The price just came down to the tip of there where those candles close, and now it seems to be making a U-turn, a big push-up. So you can go with the trend and see how strong the buy is. All right. Let's see, because for the day so it's 11,000. I'll only say it's 11,000 because of the account size. The account size can generate, you can make $1 million with $1 million. So it's just a matter of, it's not the greatest of days, but the day is still young, still the morning. Markets seem to want to turn around. We'll see. Markets close above that entry level there, because 30 minutes candle is going to close in 4 minutes, and then that's going to look like an engulfing in 30-minute time frame. 15 minutes, it already engulfed that one. It already closed up the previous sell candle, so it's on its way up. Unless, but no, that's going up. Up to where? Up to, let's see, previous big resistance is, let's say, let me delete this one. Let's look at the market above, about there. So it's touched and came down, but now it's going up, so it's gonna go up above that. So it'll probably come up to the around 77.9, so 78, and then hopefully make a U-turn there, and then yeah, for the month we're buying, it's actually around the moving average, so it will probably go up to there, and then we can look to carry on selling, since for the month power's just been selling. And all right, let's see how it goes. All right, guys, so this is an important lesson for everyone. You gotta trust your gut, make your trade and look away, because sometimes markets can mess with your eyes. So I close the positions, those buy positions, so to say, you know what, let's stick to the game plan. First pit stop is there, because what happened, price actually plummeted. First pit stop is down. I should recover losses. We actually down minus, because the buyers are pushing. Look at that. Look at that shit right there. God damn it. Anyway, we'll recover. We'll get it back. So we'll just hang on. It'll hit there. It'll hit first target, which is here. After it breaks that, we'll go somewhere closer to the moving average there, 200 moving average. The closest range I see is about there. Wait, no man, wrong time frame. Sorry, apologies. Wait, what happened there? There's 1 hour. Ah, here we go. This one here. This range here. So you're gonna hit one and then come here. So yeah, let's see how the rest of the day goes. I'ma just hold this. I'm no more closing and what. I'ma just hold it. We made it back already. You see what I'm talking about, guys? Sometimes you mustn't worry. Sometimes just go with it. Go with the flow. What's the point of having a mind if you can't change it? So sometimes it's okay to change your mind, and we're just waiting for this one now. Waiting for this one to make up its mind and say, actually, you know what? Let me give you guys a nice big push. Like, sure. So for now, we wait. Alright, guys. So we're back. It's been a couple of hours. It's late in the day. It's around 6 now. Still the 26th, the 21st of November. So price came down. Price came down as expected to the first level. Broke through the first TP, which is there. But then now I'm looking at price on 30-minute time frame. The push down. Price came to the targeted area, but now seems to have slowed down. I'm looking to cash out because I feel like it has run its course. Currently profit. You see, we got 6 digits. It's a decent day. But yeah, for now, I'll see what markets do tomorrow. But thanks for watching. And actually, because later today it's FOMC. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you saw the tips I could share with you guys today, because actually the other one here is a matter of actually, let me close. And for now, when it's like that, actually what I'll do is open a buy and see how that responds, because okay, volume reached, and we hold. Stop loss for this entry would be just below this candlestick. This is the current support on 30 minutes. We'll monitor it on 30 minutes, see how it goes, and if it doesn't go up, we'll let it be. But history for the day, yeah, today started off a bit rocky, had a lot of blues. Alright, so performance for the day has its ups, but it also had its downs. I bought it a little too early and I said, screw it. And crude oil wasn't communicating, so I said, screw it, it's fine. And shifted focus to Nasdaq. For now, we shall hold and see how the day ends. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Today, actually, this is a continuation of yesterday, actually. So today is the 22nd. Nasdaq has been going up and down, but currently, if you guys can see here, there's support over there, buy and sell right next to each other, close of candle, I jumped in a little late, but actually I jumped in early and then it went up a little bit, but then now we're on the path. And I think I closed positions this morning and I didn't show them. Yeah, this is just this morning. You see, yesterday's buys market didn't move much, so then I decided to say, actually, nah, let me just go back to selling. Buy wasn't seeming too strong, so current for me, next target, since yesterday went accordingly, would be to target this range here. Price should come challenge this support here, and yeah. So yeah, man, that's how you can go at it. And yeah, so we're just trying again today and we see how we fare out. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the charts alone. I'm going to let market run and then we'll see how it goes. All right, sharp.